Been dry for several days in a row, which is unheard of for the summer. It's now up to 10 days without rainfall. However, this adds on to the lack of rainfall thus far this month. In summer, we're about 2.5 inches below average on the month, 4 inches below average for the summer. That's about a month's worth of summer rainfall out of the equation at this point. So 10 days in a row without rain, not unheard of, but the fact that it's adding on to the rain deficit we've been in for a while, leading to some abnormally dry conditions. You can see across Iowa up to extreme drought in some spots at the western half of the state. We're seeing very dry conditions spread across the state line. A brand new update from the drought monitor as of today, resulting in all of Ogle and Lee counties under that very dry designation. Same for DeKalb County as of this point. So we are seeing this spread a little, and here's the reason why. Courtesy of the National Weather Service, some spots of the state line still about an inch or so above average for rainfall, thanks to heavy rains over the last 90 days. For the rest of the state line, you can see anywhere from 2 to up as many as 6 inches below average, especially near Rochelle and Dixon. So we're not quite to drought conditions yet, but as this may continue, this could eventually lead to drought if we don't see some more regular rainfall. And not really seeing it tonight or the next couple days. Tonight down to 59 degrees under a clear sky. Maybe our last night below 60 degrees in the coming days as we have some heat returning to the forecast. We're up into the upper 80s tomorrow with a slight rise in humidity. So not big changes for Friday, but you'll notice it's going to feel a little hotter out there by the afternoon. We see more sunshine and dry weather into Saturday as well as temperatures go up even a little more, up to 88 degrees with more humidity. So Saturday's the day you'll definitely feel some mugginess in the air. Sunday near 90, does have a chance for some scattered showers, something to keep an eye on that may keep the heat down for another day in a row. You look at future tracks, Saturday looking dry into the evening. We go into Saturday night, slight chance for some scattered showers. And Sunday, there's a possibility of on and off rainfall. However, look at just how light that rain is. We're holding on to a slight chance just because most of the models are keeping things off to our north and west and may only bring in some scattered light rain from time to time. So very low chances for rain into the end of the weekend, but something again to monitor if you're making outdoor plans. After that, hot weather is back. We haven't seen the 90s in nearly a month. That could then see that streak break into early next week. The sunny conditions we've been having lately and continue next week, along with the dry ground, help boost the heat, so we could see some hotter temperatures ahead. There's been a lot of heat across the southwest. Las Vegas still at 106 now that they're heading into the overnight hours, and all of that heat that's been bottled up to the southwest over the last week or so, it breaks loose. You can see by Saturday we're starting to see the temperatures rise. Then into early next week, that hot air will move in overhead, setting us up for days in the 90s. I think Tuesday and Wednesday will be the hottest of next week, with the humidity may feel like the middle to even the upper 90s. So get ready for the heat. It could be up to about 93 by next Wednesday. Still in the 90s on Thursday. I think after that, colder weather is moving back in. But in the meantime, summer definitely is not over yet, James.
Just can't escape it, Alex. Thanks. Still to come.